Hey Apple, who pooped on my Tesla? Did you poop on my Tesla? You remaining silent? You pleading the fifth? No, this doesn't look like dog poop, this looks like bird poop. Okay, you've been cleared. Opal, why did you let birds poop on my Tesla? Aren't you supposed to guard it 24/7? And there's no tree. Where did the birds come from? There's no tree above us. The trees are far. There's nothing above us. Are these leftist birds? You know that vandalism of Tesla stuff? Or is it just a coincidence? Probably just a coincidence. Even though there are no trees, sometimes they poop from the air. Let's look around. Oh, more bird poop here. Even more here. Even more on the back. Oh, Paul, this is no coincidence. This is definitely a targeted attack by the leftist birds. Don't you agree? What do you think? Talk to me. Is it coincidence or a leftist bird attack? Which must be leftist here too. Yeah, I think I filmed this already. Yeah, it is leftist bird attack. Apple. You need to watch out for those leftist birds. See, Apple, this is the kind of bullshit that gets regular people turned into Trump supporters. Remember how much you were scared of Trump? Yeah, it's because of this stuff. The leftists, even leftist birds, do mischief.